And Race to the Clouds actually happens this weekend, but unfortunately we're not going to be here for it. Thick boys. Good luck. We are in Kingsfield, Maine, staying at this artsy little Airbnb up there with a cat named Lucy Lou, who is right there. She is the host.
Just three dudes with beers laying in the middle of the road. Makes sense, right?
What's the problem?
Totally normal.
Suicide pact.
Oh my god. Imagine if we got...
Look at this. I have this whole park to myself. A gorgeous place. Not a soul here. And then we got this guy here. Hello. Not bad. This is the life. Look at this road. A little bit of dirt, like 50 miles, with the view of the mountain. Our bikes. I guess I better get ready to see this more often. Blessing and the curse. Yeah. Not a bad view to wake up to. Look at this. Just look at this. That right there is the actual summit of Mount Washington, and you gotta wait in line. So we decided that we'll claim that we're 25 feet away from the summit, and that's good enough. That monster lowrider, bro.
It looks like a
Look at this curry delivery from none other than Aya. She actually brought this all the way over from Utah because she does this curry run for Christmas every year, and look at that. I can't wait to get into it. Thank you so much.
Oh. It drained the tank for like 8 seconds.
Damn.
That's one pass.
And there it is. The Street Fighter. All right, let's have a seat. I'm in town getting some supplies, and there's a band playing. It's so nice. Perfect little pull-off. Little off-road. This ride just keeps blessing us. Look at this. New Hampshire. Found a little pull-off 40 miles from Mount Washington. Just chilling for a minute. We made it to Mount Washington. We're halfway up. Thick boys. Got caught in a little bit of downpour, and now it's sunny again. We are heading towards, we're in Maine already, but we don't know where we're going yet. We don't have a cabin and nowhere to stay. But we're hopeful. Oh, look at this guy. Who is that? Tonight's little house. Pretty cute.
Morning, everybody. And a very happy birthday to Ducati NYC. Hope it's an awesome one, bud. Bud. Have a great day, man. Woo! Woo!
Yeah, you're gonna be the most.
Yeah, she's gorgeous.
Now that is how you do it.
This is a Venezuelan style, baby.
Смотрите, какая радуга. Before I devour this thing, I just want to show you really quick what it is that I'm working with. It's the size of my forearm. The bomb. Time to eat, boys. Showing you up to the Moto Camping Club headquarters in style. Makes it much easier. But it's a little bit tough to turn around on the beast. Jason building a fire. That's our bikes. And that's our cabin. Middle of Hampshire somewhere. The new one. Yeah, we got really lucky with this place. Awesomeness. We are in the rest area in Malunkus, Maine. About half hour, 30 miles from our cabin. Peter got back to us. Beautiful. Can't really tell how beautiful it is in person. Look at that rock. Mango hibiscus. Herbal tea. And the bike. NYC Scrambler. Waiting for a steak quesadilla. Aaron's General Store. And our cabin is exactly 4 miles that way. Perfect. Gonna chill. from the first cabin. Cute.